Sunil Gavaskar ringing the bell here at the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekana Stadium. Right, let's play. And here's the first ball. Good first ball. Oh, that's in the gap. That is in the gap, and he almost gets there. And the only reason he almost did was because of the vast expanse of ground that he could cover. Right, he likes playing that shot, and he's played it remarkably well. It's a big boundary, this.
Shot again, and it's gone the distance. This is brilliant batting from Ishan Kishan. That's gone high. That's gone high. And it's been spilt. Had to cover a lot of ground. Did everything right. Swept Asima. Again, the dive there, but in vain.
I think he's got hold of that. The timing on that was just exquisite. Oh, it's called for 2 straight away. Ishan Kishan will go back. This is a 50. That'll mean a lot. It's just his second since his debut, but it's come on the back of an insipid batting performance against the West Indies. He looked like he was just struggling for timing, finding his way. He'll be very, very relieved and very happy with his performance. Brilliant. There's 2 or 3 he's played today that take your breath away. This is one of those. Kept low, went straight through the shot, and Sri Lanka finally have a wicket. Lahiru Kumara taking the pace off from this end. The ball is keeping a little low occasionally.
Oh, went underneath. Went underneath. As a bowler, you can only scratch your hair. Swung away, and it's gone. It's gone all the way.
No, it's just gone high. Surely the fielder's going to take that. He does, and he falls short of 100, but that's all right. He's done the job for his side. Leading edge, but it's a swirler. Not going to be easy. It's put down. The moment you see a fielder looking up and going in circles, you know he's losing it. Oh, he's timed that as well as he's ever timed anything. And he's connected with this one. Way over the ropes. He can bowl quick. He's trying to take pace off. Shreyas Iyer is perfectly happy with this. Nice call for 2. Jadeja. Easy. 50 for Shreyas Iyer in just 25 balls. Well played. I think not long ago he was at run a ball and he's just taken off into orbit. Right, what can Jadeja do of the last ball? 198. He'll get back to ball. Shreyas Iyer has almost completed 1 by then. But they will stay with 1. So it's round 200 for Sri Lanka to get. India finish their 20 overs magnificently. 199 for 2. And you've got to believe, in spite of the little dew, surely they've got enough. 200 to get for Sri Lanka.
Open proceedings. Oh, kept low off the bottom of the bat, and on the very first delivery, Pathum Nissanka was looking for the ball, and it sneaks. Oh, just over the top. Venkatesh Iyer is a tall man, going through with it, and it'll go to the boundary. That's gone high. Venkatesh Iyer circles underneath it and spills it.
Never easy in the night sky, but that's a regulation catch.
Swung away, and this time an easy catch into the captain's hands. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar has his man, and Sri Lanka are 2 down. Smartly done, very smartly done, using his pace.
Now, how far has he got it? There's a fielder coming underneath it. One more catch goes down. And I think Chahal thought he'd got his man. Now, on most grounds, that would have been 6. That is a shot that he will not want to see in the replays. Liyanage and Sri Lanka lose another. All that effort, it went as high as point inside the circle. But a wicket for Venkatesh Iyer. Now that is a connection.
Oh, there you go, wicket number 4. Ravindra Jadeja. Brilliantly bowled, slower in the air, bit of turn. And Ishan Kishan does the rest.
Plays it well, uses the pace. This is a very quick outfield.
Oh, that's another wicket. It's a very ordinary shot. And that's his 67th wicket. Yuzi Chahal, he goes ahead of Jasprit Bumrah now.
It's a very good shot. A lot of hard work there for that fielder, but not able to stop it.
Good try, Sanju.
That'll clear the boundary. Karunaratne is a clean striker of the ball once he's set, and he hit that well. That is why people around the cricket world say, you know what, this Karunaratne can play. Russ, you've no idea what you said, because straight away after that there's a little edge that's produced, and Venkatesh Iyer gets another wicket.
He can use the long handle well, and he's used it well. Wants the second, and Chamira, is he in? Bumrah drops the ball, and Asalanka gets to his 50. Harshal Patel will bowl the last over. The last ball, trying to play an in-to-out shot, and the ground has plugged. Every time it's been aerial, it's plugged. Couple of runs, and it's a handsome victory for India. 137 for 6 is all Sri Lanka could muster in this first Paytm T20 International. India winning by 62 runs. India 199 for 2, asked to bat first. Sri Lanka always struggled. 137 for 6 is all they could get. India taking this first game by 62 runs to lead the T20 International.